Energy-efficient doors are a fantastic investment for your Kendall home, providing long-term benefits such as lower energy bills, improved indoor comfort, and enhanced curb appeal. However, like any home upgrade, energy-efficient doors require proper care and maintenance to ensure they continue to perform at their best. With Kendall's unique climate in mind, here are essential maintenance tips to prolong the benefits of your energy-efficient door installation. Regularly inspect and clean your door. Routine inspection is key to maintaining your energy-efficient door. Over time, dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate on the door's surface, weather stripping, and hardware, potentially reducing its effectiveness. Clean the surface. Use a soft cloth or sponge with mild soap and water to clean the door's surface. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage finishes or protective coatings. Check for damage. Look for cracks, dents, or peeling paint, as these can compromise the door's insulation and appearance. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage. Maintain the weather stripping. Weather stripping is one of the most critical components of an energy-efficient door. It seals gaps around the edges, preventing air leaks and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. In Kendall's humid and storm-prone climate, weather stripping can wear out faster if not cared for. Inspect for gaps. Check the weather stripping regularly for signs of wear, tears, or compression. Replace it if you notice any damage to ensure a proper seal. Clean regularly. Use a damp cloth to remove dirt and debris from the weather stripping. This helps it stay flexible and effective. Apply lubricant. For rubber or vinyl weather stripping, apply a silicone-based lubricant to prevent cracking and hardening. Lubricate hinges and locks. Smooth operating hinges and locks are essential for the longevity of your energy-efficient door. Without proper lubrication, these components can rust or become stiff, affecting the door's function. Use the right products. Apply a silicone or graphite-based lubricant to hinges and locks to reduce friction and prevent rust. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which can attract dirt. Tighten loose hardware. Check screws and other fasteners for tightness, as loose hardware can cause alignment issues and air leaks. Protect the door from weather extremes. Kendall's weather, including intense sun, high humidity, and occasional storms, can take a toll on your door. Proper protection helps maintain its appearance and performance. Apply protective finishes. For wooden doors, apply a weather-resistant sealant to prevent warping, cracking, or water damage. Install a door overhang. If possible, add an overhang or awning to shield the door from direct sunlight and rain. Use a storm door. Consider installing a storm door for added protection during severe weather while enhancing insulation. Keep glass panels in top shape. Many energy-efficient doors feature glass panels for aesthetic and functional purposes, such as natural light and insulation. Keeping these panels clean and intact ensures they perform as intended. Clean glass safely. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean glass panels. Avoid ammonia-based cleaners that could damage low-E coatings. Inspect seals around glass. Ensure the seals around glass inserts remain intact to prevent air or water leaks. Replace any damaged seals promptly. Adjust the door alignment. An improperly aligned door can cause gaps, reducing its energy efficiency and making it harder to open or close. Over time, settling or frequent use can cause alignment issues. Check the fit. Look for gaps around the door frame and check if the door closes snugly. Make adjustments. Tighten or adjust hinges and hardware to realign the door as needed. If the problem persists, consult a professional installer. Prevent mold and mildew. In Kendall's humid climate, moisture buildup can lead to mold and mildew around your door. These issues not only damage the door but can also affect your indoor air quality. Ventilate your home. Ensure proper ventilation to reduce humidity levels inside your home. Inspect for moisture. Check the door frame and threshold for signs of water damage or mold growth. Clean and repair any affected areas promptly. Monitor energy performance. The primary purpose of energy-efficient doors is to reduce energy consumption. Monitoring their performance ensures they're still delivering on their promise. Watch for drafts. If you notice a draft, inspect the door's seals, weather stripping, and alignment for potential issues. Track energy bills. A sudden spike in energy costs could indicate your door isn't functioning as efficiently as it should. Address the problem early to avoid higher expenses. Schedule professional maintenance. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, professional inspections can catch issues you might overlook. Schedule periodic checkups with a trusted installer in Kendall to ensure your energy-efficient door remains in top condition. Conclusion. Long-term benefits with proper care. Energy-efficient doors are a valuable addition to your Kendall home, offering comfort, savings, and style. With proper maintenance, you can enjoy these benefits for years to come. From regular cleaning and inspection to addressing wear and tear promptly, simple upkeep ensures your investment stands the test of time. By following these tips, you'll keep your energy-efficient door performing at its best, protecting your home from the elements, and maintaining its energy-saving properties. After all, a little care goes a long way in preserving the value and efficiency of your door.